Hello everyone, I'm Ellen McCloskey and this is my program completion commitment timeline. This is my educator roadmap, so my educator dates. So from August 2010 through December of 2012, at this point in time I was pretty set on going to pharmacy school. I had a really great science teacher who encouraged me to think creatively and think out of the box, and I truly adored her chemistry class, and so I thought that I was going to be a pharmacist, and I even went as far as touring KU's pharmacy school. And then December of 2012 through August of 2013, my high school English teacher told me that I would make a great English teacher, and so I went ahead and I pursued it because I thought that sounded like something that would be fun. And I couldn't quite fathom standing behind a counter handing pills over to people all day as a pharmacist. So this was a rather large change from pharmacy school. August of 2013 through May of 2016, I attended the University of Kansas and majored in secondary English education. And during this time, I also did my student teaching in a small school called McLouth, just north of Lawrence. And August of 2016 through May of 2017, I started my first teaching job as a 9th and 11th grade English teacher, and I also taught creative writing, and I coached 2 different sports. My teaching responsibilities have changed in my short amount of time in education. So year 1 was in 2016, and I taught 9th and 11th grade English and creative writing. Year 2 was in 2017, and so I taught 4th through 8th grade special education. Years 3 through 5 was 2018 through 2021, where I taught 9th through 12th grade special education. And then year 6 was in 2021, and I was an IEP specialist. Extracurricular duties. In 2016, so my very first year of teaching, I also coached volleyball and I coached track. And then years 3 through 5, 2018 through 2021, I coached cross country. I was a junior class sponsor. I was an 8th hour host. I was an interventionist during the day. And I also kept the clock at the basketball games. So I took year 2 off completely from extracurriculars when I was teaching 4th through 8th grade special education. But I dove headfirst into it in years 3 through 5. And then in year 6, in 2021, I only kept the clock for the basketball games with no other extracurricular activities. My journey to school leadership. I decided to officially start my journey to becoming a school leader in December of 2021. And so that was about the second week in December. And then at the end of December, I was all of a sudden enrolled in intercession classes. So I took my first course during intercession in 2021. I took EDL 853. And then January through March of 2022, I took EDL 852. March through May of 2022, I took EDL 851 and EDL 856. And then in June of 2022, so currently I'm enrolled in EDL 854 and EDL 850. And then June through July of 2022, I'll be finishing up my practicum in order to complete the program. In June of 2022, I'm starting the e-portfolio. I plan to complete the e-portfolio by July 18th of 2022. And July 1st of 2022, I plan to leave the classroom for a special education assistant director position, so an admin position in special education. And then retirement is a long ways off for me, but I would like to retire at 55. So that means that I currently have 28 years to make it in the education realm. Thanks for watching.